Weak Wi-Fi upstairs or in the garage? Let's fix that. In this video, you'll learn how to boost your Wi-Fi range, eliminate dead zones, and choose between extenders and mesh systems for the best coverage. Step-by-step guide. 1. Optimize router placement. Place your router in the center of the home, elevated, away from walls and metal. 2. Reduce interference. Keep it clear of microwaves, cordless phones, and thick walls. 3. Update firmware. Log into your router and check for updates. This can boost performance. 4. Change channel or band. Select a less crowded channel or switch to 5 GHz for nearby devices. 5. Use Wi-Fi extender. Position it halfway between the router and weak area, not in the dead zone. 6. Consider mesh Wi-Fi. For large homes, install mesh nodes for seamless coverage. 7. Add wired options. Use Ethernet or power line adapters for stable backhaul. 8. Retest signal strength. Move devices and check speeds to confirm improvement. That's how to boost your Wi-Fi range and remove dead zones for good. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more network troubleshooting guides.